Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be doing one of my favorites, $1 million pound cake. I got this recipe from Southern Living years ago. I used to get their magazine. I stopped getting the magazine and I started getting the cookbooks. And so I've got the cookbook that this recipe's in, but you can get it online. It doesn't take very many ingredients. You just have to put out the butter, let it set, room temperature. The eggs are room temperature. You need a big old mixer because you'll sit there and your arm will fall off with a hand mixer. Believe me, I've done it. So we're going to start off with a pound of butter. Nothing's better than a pound of butter. You want to whip this for a pretty good while until it turns fluffy. Get a butter on it. I'm going to start off slow, and then we're going to kick it up a notch. I've got my oven preheated to 300 degrees. This cake takes 1 hour and 40 minutes to cook. It's long and slow. I'm trying something new this time. A square bundt cake. I've never used it. I saw it on one of them pound cake sites, and I just had to have it. So we're going to try this one out, but you can use any bundt pan. It has to be large because this is a big cake. But we're going to try this one out and see how it does. And scrape it down. Okay, it's creamy. We're going to add the sugar. Then whip it some more. See how light and fluffy it's gone? Get texture. See how different it looks now? I'm going to scrape it down. Oh, it looks so good. Let's turn light and fluffy. I'm going to start adding the eggs one at a time. There's 6 eggs. Okay, we're going to add the milk and flour. You're going to alternate it. We're going to start with flour. There's 4 cups. you. Three. I'm gonna pour all the milk in there because we're going to end it with flour. Okay. Last, we're going to put in a teaspoon of almond extract and a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Will be your last ingredient. We're going to let that mix. And if I can pick this big bowl up and put it in a pan, we'll make a cake. Oh, it smells so good. This new cake I didn't show you, but the middle comes out, making it easier for the cake. I've got all the batter in the pan. I've got it smoothed out where it's level. The first thing you do is grease and flour your pan real good so it won't stick. And then you put the batter in there. So we're going to put it in a 300-degree oven for an hour and 40 minutes. And check it, you know, when it gets close to time. Depends on how your oven does. We've got the cake out of the oven. It's cooling on the wire rack. My assistant took it out of the pan. He just ran a knife around the pan and flipped it out. And look at that cake. Don't it look good? Delicious. So I hope you try this cake, $1 million pound cake from Southern Living. It is wonderful. Hey, down in the comments, let me know what kind of toppings you like with your pound cake. You like a frosting or fruit? And I have a recipe that is homemade whipped topping if you like that. The recipe for this cake will be down in the description, and a link will take you to a printable recipe. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. And thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless.